Experiencing low volume on your HyperX Cloud Alpha? It's a common concern, primarily due to the headset's design, which prioritizes sound clarity over raw loudness. The Cloud Alpha's 65 ohm impedance and 50 millimeter drivers can sometimes result in lower volume output, especially on devices with limited power. To start, ensure your headset's firmware is up to date via the HyperX Ingenuity app, latest version 1.2.4 as of mid 2025. These updates often include volume amplification optimizations. For optimal performance, especially with newer devices, use a wired USB-A connection instead of USB-C, which may have compatibility issues. Make sure your Windows volume is at 100% before troubleshooting. If the volume is still too low, you can use software enhancements. The HyperX Ingenuity app has a built-in volume boost feature that can safely amplify the audio output by 15 to 20%. Be careful not to overboost, which can cause distortion. You can further enhance perceived loudness by adjusting the equalizer. Boosting bass frequencies, such as plus 6 dB at 2100 Hz, in Ingenuity's EQ settings, or using a bass boost preset, can make the sound seem louder without increasing the raw volume. Also, check your audio format in Windows Sound Control panel. Mismatched settings like 7.1 surround sound when stereo is optimal can reduce volume. Ensure proper impedance matching from your audio source to maximize power transfer.